Hi, I'm Tina, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. I am really excited about my cloth and paper subscription box. It's probably my favorite one. I just love everything from their shop. So right in here to start off with, of course, the card is just full. This is the What's Inside card. Thank you so much for subscribing to our October 2020 stationery box. We hope you enjoy this box of our newest stylish designs we have created for you to use in your planning routine. All right, so this is everything that is going to be in the box. So I'm gonna scoop everything out of here and then go through the items. All right, let's see what's in here. I do like to be surprised, so I think I might know one of the things that's in here, but otherwise it's always a surprise. And wow, that is so beautiful. Now, the last couple of subscription boxes that I have gotten, she has included these full page inserts, and you can really do whatever you want with them. The last couple that I got, they were kind of designed where you could cut them down. This one is definitely like a full page, and this one says, the more you love your decisions, the less you have to convince other people to love them. That is awesome. I love that, and I just love the aesthetics, just simple, clean lines. Oh my gosh, okay. Really, really exciting, holy cow. All right, so I am gonna actually take everything off to the side and go through it. Wow, there is some awesome stuff in here. I am really excited about it, and I wanna try to go through the list in order. So we've got an undated monthly desk pad in here. Ooh, this is nice. Look at how nice this is. Let me take it out of the packaging. I like to do these unboxings with you live, so to speak live, because it's just more fun this way, and you really get like my true reaction. And look at this. This is really nice. I love this. Look at that. You can have that on your desk, fill in your dates, this month, priorities, and then a to-do section. And this is just great to kind of like do pre-planning in and just keep it on your desk. I like it. All right, now we've got a reading log in here. Ooh, and this is a nice little stack of inserts. Now I do get the classic size. So the classic Happy Planner size is what I like to get. And, ooh, these are really nice inserts. Reading log. So let's take a closer look. First of all, there's like a very generous amount of them here. So if you are an avid reader, these are really gonna come in handy. All right, so now here we have the title of the book, the author, the date, the progress, the date, the progress. Okay, so there's like 2 columns here, and then like your own personal review. Wow, and there's a lot of these. Wow, these are really nice. Okay, so the next thing we have here are December monthly inserts, and I love these inserts. So this one is the December 2021 style, and it's got the number there, so that way you know exactly what insert that is. So if you want to pick these up for yourself. Ooh, I love their inserts. These are awesome. So we've got December here, and I recently did a flip through of my planner all set up with my cloth and paper inserts in there. And if you want to see that, I will link that for you, and you will see exactly how those inserts look in my planner. I love them. All right, the next thing we have here is a new doors dashboard, and that is this one right here. And I think that this is a cardstock. And it says, autumn has us ready for changes, big and small. Our new doors dashboard reminds you to keep taking chances and growing. Layer it with the balanced dashboard for a beautiful visual. Yes, I love this. Really pretty. Old ways won't open new doors. And it just says that repeatedly around there. And this is a cardstock dashboard. And the balance dashboard is this one right here. Oh, I love their stuff. Oh, I love it. The quality is so nice. And then layering that right on there is really, really nice. I like that. And then we've got a December month cover dashboard. I'm so excited because I love this setup. These dashboards are beautiful. So we've got December, amateurs sit and wait for inspiration. The rest of us just get up and go to work. Stephen King. All right, now this is great on here. I love that. And I don't know, let's see, could we just layer everything up? You probably could, but then that would be kind of covered up. So I don't think I would do that. I think I would keep this maybe on something different and then keep that with the inserts. And then we've got on the back side here, a digital declutter dashboard. Now this looks awesome. Like everything is awesome. And it's just saying here, logging in a lot of screen time, organize your files, clean off your desktop, and hit the refresh button with our breakdown on how to organize your devices and information so you can work safer and smarter. Printed on our lighter vellum so it can be tucked into your planner without the bulk. This is really nice. Digital declutter, habits to put in place that give you online peace of mind. So we've got a daily, a weekly, a monthly, quarterly, and a yearly. I like this. So let's see, daily, it's saying to set timers for social media, disable push notifications, take breaks. Weekly, backup files, close open tabs, restart devices. That's a really good tip, by the way. Restarting your device is, I don't know, when it has like those weird little glitches, restarting it is always the way to go. So having like a nice little reminder of that, I like this. Okay, monthly, empty trash. That's a great one. I always forget to empty the trash on my computer and it just like ends up taking up so much of your memory. Review unused apps, clear downloads, archive emails, and then quarterly, sort and delete photos. That is a great idea. Delete old conversations, unsubscribe and unfollow. And then we've got yearly, delete unused accounts, change passwords, and review permissions. So this is an awesome, just a great habit to have for you to do. I love that. That's a great dashboard, so useful. All right, now we are into the accessories and we've got a beautiful color. Look at this color. And we've got circle sticky notes and ooh, they're transparent. Ooh, this is gonna be really pretty. Oh, let's see, I feel like I have, yep, I definitely had more than one. Ooh, ooh, nice. Very nice, very pretty. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. And this is called Amalfi Coast. And we've got round ones. I'm gonna try to put that back on there. And then we've got these little square ones. Now I know that the square page flags are newer to their shop. I haven't actually gotten any myself. So this is awesome because now I can see if I would actually like this size, this shape. It's really cute. I love anything squared off, so let's just put that like that. Really pretty. It's such a soft color. Oh my goodness. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And then we have a little stack here of journaling cards, and there's 4 of them here. And we have our December month And this one is a matte card. And then we've got, wait. No, this one. This one is the matte card. This one is going to be a transparent, and I think this backing here will come off. Okay, so sometimes you just really kind of have to work at it, but this piece back here, it does come off, it peels off, so you get a nice transparent card. But I'm really not going to take the whole thing off because I'm not quite ready to use it yet. So I like to keep these tucked in my planner till that month comes, and then I will go ahead and pull those out. And I like to layer them. And then this one is May Your Streets Be Paved with Gold. Really pretty. I love the taupey color. And then this one is Make It Simple But Significant. So I love these journaling cards because they are just really nice accents to put in your planner and just really create like a very pretty aesthetic and dress up your planner pages. Another beautiful box from Cloth and Paper. I am so excited to implement all of these items into my planner. I really love all of the items that you get in the subscription box. If you have not already subscribed to the Cloth and Paper subscription box, consider doing it because it's an amazing deal. Like what you get for the price that you have to pay, it's outstanding. So I just absolutely love the shop. I love the aesthetic, the clean and simple look that this shop offers you. It's just outstanding, and the quality is never disappointing. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing with me. Please consider subscribing to my channel. When you do, hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my videos. And I'm also on Instagram. So if you're on Instagram, you will find me there at It's a Wonderful Plan. And you will see things there on my Instagram you don't always see here on my YouTube. Well, thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Bye.